Welcome to Cool Plugins. In this video tutorial, I am going to show you how you can create beautiful timelines using Elementor Timeline Widget Addon Pro. First of all, let's install the plugin to a WordPress website. Go to your WordPress dashboard, click on Plugins, Add New. Now click on Upload the plugin and choose the file. Now click on Install Now. Once the plugin is installed, click on Activate Plugin. After activation, you can see Timeline add-on on left hand sidebar. To add a timeline to a particular page, go to Pages, click on Add New. Give the page a title. And click on Edit with Elementor. On the search bar, type Timeline. Now drag and drop Story Timeline to the page. This is the default layout of the Story Timeline. You can change it under the Layout section. Let's select one-sided. As you can see, all the stories are now in one-sided layout. You can also change the style. Let's choose this style. Now let's see how horizontal timeline looks like. Here you can choose number of slides to show on the page. Let's choose 3 and change the style. If you want to add or delete a story, go to Timeline Stories and you can easily delete or add a new item by this button. You can easily drag and drop the card to change the positions. Now let's add a date label. Add a sub-label. You can choose the story title. There are media options, image, video or a slideshow. Let's choose an image. Now let's add the description. Let's add one more item. Now in place of image, choose a video and paste the video link here. Add the description. Under the timeline stories, click on the story content, go to advanced, and here you can hide or show the year label. You can change the date, and here you can choose to show or hide the display icons. Under the icon type, you can show icon or a text, or you can upload an image. Here are some color settings. You can change the story timeline title color and the story label color, and there are many other color options available. Under the advanced settings, you can change the animations, and also you can choose to hide. Now under the style settings, go to the extra settings, and here you can choose to hide or show the border. And you can choose the position of the navigation bar. Once you are done with all the changes, click on update. By this way you can create a story. Now let's change the style of the story that we have just created. Go to style, and here you can choose the title color. Under typography settings, you can change the font style, and you can also select the size of the font. You can change the line height and the letter spacing between each letter. You can change the primary label color and the typography settings also the description color and the typography settings for the description. You can also change the line color. Let's choose it to black. Under the extra settings, you can change the sub-label color and you can also change the size of the icon. And here you can choose to hide or show the border. And also you can choose the space between the stories. Once all the settings are done, click on Publish. Now click on View Page to see how your story looks like. As you can see, your stories are published on the page. You can directly play the video So this is how your story timeline will look like when you publish the page. This plugin also has the inline editing options. You can easily edit the text without going under the timeline story settings. You can also change the title here and the labels. Directly change the description, and same you can do to all these stories. Once you are done, click on Update.